What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at some interesting true wireless earbuds. These are the XS2 by xFyro. The Bluetooth 4.2, IP67, dust-proof and waterproof. They have a wireless range of about 10 meters or around 30 feet. They also have CVS 6.0 noise cancellation, which is nice to see in some true wireless earbuds. They have a little bit bigger battery than a lot of true wireless earbuds. Most true wireless earbuds usually give you around a battery life of about 3 hours. These ones will actually give you about 5 hours. Plus they have a rechargeable case so you can recharge them more than once. Now the charging unit has an 850 milliamp hour battery built in. Plus if I'm not mistaken it's also a power bank because they're saying that it has USB and micro USB ports. So interesting. Now the full charge time on the earbuds is about 2 hours and it has a standby time of 300 hours. Oh, that is heavy. That is seriously solid. I'm liking the size of it. All right, what else we got in here? We got some instructions and a small cable and 2 sets of extra earbuds. It's definitely a slick looking case for sure. I mean, you see how discreet it is. You can put that pretty much anywhere. But so you have your power button right here. There's your USB port for charging something else, say your phone. Now on the other side, you've got the in. So you got your micro USB port on this side for charging the actual case itself. Polished aluminum is really nice. Got their little fire logo on it. That's pretty cool. Now, as you can see on the sides, they have the earbuds. So you just pull them out. You can see right on the inside, everything's like gold. And then on the bottom, you can see you have the 2 connection points. Each one is labeled, so you got left and you've got right. Oh man, those are nice. They're good. So I think they're connected now. They have a quick little start guide here. It says just pick up one of the earbuds and hold it down for 4 seconds to go into pairing mode and then wait till it pops up. Well, I did it with the right one and it never showed up. And then I did it with the left one and it showed up immediately. So I'm guessing what they mean is by picking one up, they mean pick up the left one because the right one wasn't doing it. But now they're both connected, so all right, we're good to go. Hey! All right, let's test the bass. They actually have pretty decent bass for true wireless earbuds. It's not like the best, but it's there. All right, I got them all the way up. Okay, well not really, I think I'm seeing like a very fraction of a second latency going on here. It's almost completely not noticeable. Now, I have it maxed out on volume. They don't get really, really loud. Back pocket test. I'll even try it under the table. I'm not noticing any skipping, so that's good. I'm gonna do a distance test. I'll be right back. Okay, so I actually got around 33 feet or so. It sort of broke up, like one would lose connection, then it would switch back and forth around 30 feet, and then around 33 feet, they completely cut out. So 10 meters is pretty accurate. Let's go ahead and make a phone call. It's in the left side, so no right side. Hello? What's up, girl? Can you hear me okay? I sound far away, but do I sound clear though? I mean, other than sounding far away, do I sound clear? Is it breaking up or anything? Okay, cool. Okay, the phone call went pretty well. She said that it sounded like I was a little far away. The only con that I really see here, it doesn't get really, really loud. It's not so quiet where you're not gonna be able to hear it or anything. What I would expect, 100% volume, this thing has about 80% of that, 85% of what I would expect out of the volume. So it could go with just a little bit louder, but overall, it's pretty good. The pros, obviously, is the design of it. I mean, it's really slick, it looks good, it's really small, so it's gonna be real easy to keep with you in a bag, a purse, a backpack, your pocket. Very convenient for carrying around with you. Plus, on top of that, it's a small little power bank, which is always nice. Now, the highs, mids, and the lows. The highs and mids, I think, are actually pretty decent. I'm gonna give them a 5. It's exactly what I pretty much would expect out of some true wireless earbuds. It doesn't really exceed my expectations. The bass was a little more than what I would expect because true wireless earbuds usually don't have that great a bass. They really just don't have the power to push bass, but these actually have okay bass. So it's a little more than what I was expecting. So I'm gonna give the bass a good 6. These were $250 when they launched, and then they cut down the price. They're only $125. For $125, you're getting true wireless earbuds and you're getting a very small power bank. It could definitely save you if you need some juice. On their website, they have a lot of great reviews. So overall, yeah, I think it's a pretty good true wireless earbud set. They're very nice. All right, guys, so that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. You guys know what to do. Go check it out for yourself. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.